Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching for the first time, hi, I'm Rohita Sen. This is a classic timeless bronze look which you can definitely do even in your daytime look. So let's begin with first moisturizing our skin and then we will be using a primer. For priming, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. After I am done with priming my face, I am using a Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Deep, which is one shade darker than my actual skin tone. This will help to hide any pigmentation around my eye area. So this is a trick, you can definitely use it. Whenever applying a concealer, use a damp beauty blender or makeup sponge and use it in a dabbing motion and don't drag your concealer. For a flawless base with a minimal amount of products, first I will be contouring my face using a cream contour from Sugar Cosmetics. And then I'm using a foundation which is a sheer coverage foundation from Latte. I will be applying the foundation only on the area where I haven't used my contour stick or my concealer and blend it really well with all the contour I've already applied. For highlighting the bridge of my nose, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Medium and applying it just over the bridge of my nose and dabbing it with a damp beauty blender. To set my base in place, I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Matte Setting Mist. You can use any other mist you have. For the cheeks that are looking flushed, I'm using a blush from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Coral Climax. Filling in your brows and brushing them through is a quick step to make you look more presentable. For that creasy eyelids, use a damp beauty blender and set everything in place using a translucent powder. For today's eye look, I am using the Nykaa 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette Beachside Peach. First apply a brown shade over your crease area and blend it really well using a fluffy brush. For the transition color, I am using a peachy brown shade from the same palette and blending it just above my crease area. For my eyelid space, I am using this golden shimmer shade from the same palette. Apply this golden shimmer shade till the middle of your eyeball. For the lower lash line, you can definitely go with any color. I'm using the same brown shade which I have applied for my crease. Just giving a definition to the eyes a little further. For the same, I'm using the e.l.f. sketch liner in the shade Black. For the beautiful fuller lashes, I'm using the Too Faced mascara. You can use any other mascara you have. Lip lining is an old school method, but this is something I do because of uneven lips. For today's lip color, I am using a gloss from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Tinker Bell. This is a beautiful brown shade. For highlighting, I am using the Savannah Shimmer Brick Set. For that bronze look, I am using the deeper shades from the same highlighter. Apply the highlighter all over the highest points of your face and you are done with this look. With that, we finish today's bronzed makeup look. I hope you love this look. Please don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post a new video.
2,000 years later.
Thanks for watching.